Hey, you. Do you know that you are wasting water without knowing you do? Are you trying to save water and find it impractical? There is a wastage of 1.63 billion liters of water per day. 45% of that is from domestic use. I know. Actually, I can tell you more.
Products have changed throughout the years, and the new ones have adopted a concept of water saving just to keep up with the times.
PUB has graded water efficiency by the amount of ticks they have, 1 being the most inefficient and 3 being the most efficient. What's the difference between 1 and 3? I'll show you now.
Looking at shower taps and mixers, 1 tick gives you 8.40 liters per minute, 2 ticks gives you 5.51 liters per minute, and lastly, 3 ticks gives you 3.70 liters per minute.
And this is the visual representation.
It's like having a normal water bottle taken from you 4 times in a row.
So if you are looking for any sanitary ware with the best water efficiency levels, find the ones with the most number of ticks. Additionally, look under the ticks and find out what the water flow is per minute.
Just an FYI, fittings is everything when it comes to a toilet bowl. And if you guys were to buy it here, it comes with a Gibrit high quality fitting. If you guys are wondering where I am, what a coincidence!
There is too many items and informations to give out. However, you can find out more by visiting Siang Choon,
One of the leading bathroom specialists in Singapore.
Until then, see you there.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.